Visiting Dorney Park is always a good time, but for the kids at the Da Vinci Science Center, it's also a learning experience.
We're doing the physics of the amusement park rides. We've been talking about different principles of physics like Newton's laws and centripetal force, and we're coming to Dorney today to put those into motion and learn about them hands-on.
Campers are taking part in a variety of experiments to test out the physics of the rides.
They're going to be measuring the speeds. They have stopwatches to calculate the time, and then using the heights that were given by the rides to calculate how fast rides are going. They're also going to be looking at the pendulum motion of some rides and looking at the centripetal force of other rides.
Dorney Park enjoys pairing with their neighbor, the Da Vinci Science Center, to provide a fun learning environment.
The Vinci Science Center, of course, a close neighbor of ours right here on Cedar Crest Boulevard in Allentown, and we see these guys every year. They come over and check out the rides. It takes a lot to make a ride function, from mechanics to physics. You got to measure every property every day to make sure it's going to be safe for the passengers. One of the things these folks from Da Vinci are doing is coming out and using basic tools and instruments to calculate ride speed, velocity, just simple calculations, which is a great learning experience to have a fundamental understanding of how math is used in our everyday lives. I couldn't think of a better way to encourage kids to learn.
When it comes to physics, amusement park rides are the perfect educational tool.
Dorney Park offers a ton of different roller coasters, drop rides, carousels, the Sea Dragon swinging ride. They were playing on that earlier today. And when you see the kids on the ride, you know they're having fun, but they've all got their stopwatches in their hand. They're all checking out the speed of the ride and filling out their note sheets. And it's kind of neat to see the engagement of education at a higher level than it would be in just a classroom environment. When you get out and you see it hands-on, it's a completely different experience, much more valuable.
The camp instructors hope that the kids use this experience to learn how to apply science to all aspects of life.
That they know to look around them, to see sciences around them everywhere. That a lot of science is put into amusement parks, and hopefully in the future when they come to amusement parks they can remember this, or remember how things work and how to use science in their everyday lives.
For more information about all of the programs offered at the Da Vinci Science Center, check out their website. For SCC TV, I'm Jessica Belasco.